Welcome back to my blanket chest project. So what I'm going to do today, first off, I'm going to take all these clamps off because the frame, I put in a frame for holding in the top. I'm going to take all these clamps off. I'm going to do a first round of sanding on this top lip, and then I believe I'm going to sand the belt sand off the excess on the dovetails, and then I'm going to cut the top off. Then it'll be easier to lay in the top panel after. So I've noticed in some of my videos I've been spending too much time blocking things with my back, so I'm going to try to be more cognizant of that, and therefore I'll just spin this around and take the rest of them off. Of course, it might be a little better than looking at my back, but who knows. I'd say, Mike, go ahead, keep blocking the picture. It's your best side. All right. So I'm going to scrape this excess glue off, and then get my sander out and take this rim down a little bit. I use my Makita 6-inch random disc sander, random orbit disc sander. So I've always been a big Porter cable booster over the years, and you know, they were a much better tool than they are now. They've been bought out by Black & Decker and now are just no different than any other of their lines. So I went back and I've now bought several. I've had some Makita in the past, but now I bought several more. This 6-inch random orbit disc is an unbelievable tool. Probably the best sander I've ever had. I've always had the quarter sheet palm sanders by Makita, and I've bought another one. Those things are still awesome. And I bought myself, for when I built my shop, a 10-inch Makita circular saw, and that is the smoothest circular saw I've ever used. So, you know, Makita, they just make great tools, and I think I'm now going to shift to buying their stuff. When it comes to routers, I'll probably still stick with Porter cable, but I'll probably buy them used if I can find them at like pawn shops, some of the older ones. But overall, I think Makita is a far better tool now than Porter cable is. Alright, I got the top frame separated from the rest of the box. I've got the top dimensioned, and I'm ready to glue it in the top. This is what it's going to look like. All I got to do is glue it in and clamp it up. Pull it out, put some glue on it, get my clamping boards ready.